Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Vinny and you're watching Dirty Offroad. On today's episode, we're going to take the Jeep JK, put it up in the air, inspect the bottom, see if we could find the oil leak, and go from there. This is more like a secondary update to the first video to really see what we're dealing with moving forward so we know how to prepare. All right, let's take a start from the front and work our way back. You've got some JKS upgrades, great track bar here, which is nice to see. These could definitely use some love. But for what they use it for, should be just fine. Now, the front of the motor, where the oil pan is, that's where it looks like it's leaking from. Let me see the belts. Belt's okay. But that, and I thought there would be a lot more rust. But I think you guys will agree, it's not horrible. And again, for what they use the Jeep for, I think they'll be just fine. But yeah, I think the leak's coming from here, which we should be able to fix. That doesn't look like a very difficult fix. Let's get a little deeper. So it looks like the leak is throwing oil all up into there, all over here, but no transmission leak, which is always good to see. Right? What the hell is this? Oh, so this is the gear shift, and it looks like that broke. So this is holding the gear shift together, which field fix, been there before. But yeah, I think that's where the issue's coming from for the oil. Now the rest of the Jeep looks good. Axles look good. These definitely looked like they were resealed at one time. So if that is the biggest headache we have, if that's the biggest issue we have with this, thank God. That's going to be a pretty easy fix, I hope. Looks like we could... I wonder if it's if it's the actual oil or the engine. I think that's going to be the hard part, honestly. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So it doesn't look like it's coming from the oil pan. It looks like it's coming from up here. So that may be the only issue. But still, we all know it could be way worse. So, all right, Dirty Offroad family. This video was just to give you a quick update on what's going to be happening to the Jeep and what's going on with this current Jeep. On the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to try to get these fenders dark again, black again. And believe it or not, we're going to use peanut butter. So stick around for that. So before we close out, don't forget, any Jeep parts you need, go to dirty-offroad.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.